So you run into a problem. You just wanted to start working out, but you don't have much equipment at home. You don't have a gym membership, and you really don't have that much space either. Luckily for you, I'm going to quickly show you a 4-exercise full body workout that can be done from the comfort of your own home. Let's do it. As you can see here, I'm actually in my office for this setting, and this is where we're going to be doing the workout. When it comes to the overall workout, basically what you can use for equipment is a backpack filled up with a bunch of objects, or if you have just one single dumbbell, that's going to work as well too. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're going to do 4 different exercises, including a squat variation, a deadlift variation, an upper body pushing variation, and an upper body pulling variation. This will allow you to work your entire body so there will be no missing links and you will be strong throughout. The first exercise in our sequence is what we call a goblet squat. Now, a goblet squat is a really great exercise to work your core in addition to your leg muscles as well. Notice I'm doing this goblet squat to a chair. Basically, you can do it to a sturdy object and you're going to be holding one of your different objects in front of your chest. Go down as low as you can and boost yourself up with an object if you need more assistance. After that, we are going to move into a single arm dumbbell row. So you are going to grab either that dumbbell or that object and simply think about keeping your body at a 45-degree angle, pulling that dumbbell straight back towards your rib cage, and then slowly letting it back down towards the ground so your arm's nice and straight. When you're doing this with a backpack, it's going to be a little more awkward. In addition to this too, I like having beginners hold on to something in front of them when they are doing this exercise because it gives them a little more support overall. So we've hit the front of the legs and our back muscles. Now it's time to work the front of our shoulders and the back of our glutes. For our glutes and lower back, we are going to be doing a dumbbell deadlift where you are simply holding that deadlift out to the front. When you are doing this, think about keeping your back straight the entire time. Another good cue you can think about while keeping your back straight is to let that weight or object ride up and down your legs the entire way. And then, of course, squeezing your butt at the top to stand nice and tall. And last but not least will be some assisted push-ups onto an elevated object. You can find any elevated object around your home that allows you to touch your chest all the way to that object and all the way back up. If that is too difficult, you can even do the same version onto a wall as well. And another version of it is to do it off of your knees onto the object. Recommend doing this exercise sequence in a circle where you are simply doing 10 repetitions of one exercise, then the next one, then the next one, and of course finishing with the next one, all in succession, resting for 1 minute, and then repeating that overall cycle 2 more times. Comment down below if you have any questions, and of course like the video if this provided you some good value. Subscribe to the channel as we help individuals of all abilities improve their overall health and knowledge of the gym. Feel free to check out this other video I'm going to link right here, giving you another great full body strengthening exercise for beginners.
I'm to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away